Hi, here's Julie Lavoie for USA Quit Smoking and Vaping. I would like to explain you today like what's the process at USA Quit Smoking to quit any type of nicotine, vaping, tobacco, dipping, patch, any form of nicotine, work with or protocol. So the process, the first step is really for you to choose a quit date. That's a very important date. It's really like the first step of quitting, establishing a date. Call me at 561-601-2128 or text me and I will honor your date and schedule you to come at the clinic located in West Palm Beach, Florida. Okay? So now when you come here, what we do first is do a consultation to establish your nicotine user profile. And I use that information to personalize coaching and personalized laser treatment. So the coaching is very important part of smoking cessation because the laser take care of the physical aspect of the craving, like the aspect that really aggravate you, irritate you, and disrupt like the way you feel by lacking of nicotine in your system, and the synapse in your brain are creating discomfort until you smoke. And now you say I relax, but the smoking nicotine is really never relax you. It's really disrupting your life, and the only solution is to use more nicotine. So this is making like a life of being on the edge all the time, and it's never been a true relaxation since like after 20 minutes for most of like nicotine user, you gotta use again within an hour. So this cycle of like addiction is very powerful, and here in USA Quit Smoking and Vaping are having coaching that really help you to redefine your life and transform and walk away for life, and giving you real tool that you can apply to set yourself free. So of course the laser auriculotherapy ear point, where we reset your own ability to produce natural drug in your brain using those ear point, which are actually nerve ending, with a gentle infrared cold light that you don't feel. There's no adverse side effects, and there's only benefit in that biomodulation where the brain reset, reinstate is normal functioning of producing natural drug. And for a lot of people, they feel like no craving. It bring you back to before you start smoking. What's your blueprint of producing natural drug and before being dependent of nicotine? So there's a lot of adults, they don't even know what it is to be themselves with their own natural ability to produce natural drug, their own blueprint, and they recover this when they come at the clinic and they stop craving. So this is a comprehensive approach where we cover multiple angles. We give you multiple tools. Like, for example, you're going to leave here with some lobelia, which is a lung detox for helping with the coughing. And also it's to relax the muscle, to make you feel like you just smoke. And it gives you like something that you go back home with, and because you throw your cigarette and vape, and it gives you a sense of security, and also help you to measure on how um, the laser has support you. And at USA Quit Smoking, I give you 1 month follow-up warranty, a free laser treatment for any reason related with smoking cessation. So if you find out that you need more laser treatment, more support, more treatment, which I call booster, you can come back for free as long as you don't smoke. But of course, I'm not come have you come back for free. If you smoke, I'm not promoting you to smoke. But the thing is, like, if you're challenged and you need more laser treatment, the first month is free and you're more than welcome. I'm here to help you and support you and make sure you have everything you need to stay free. Okay, so the lobelia, and also I provide you, if you want, this anti-anxiety device for breathing that is not a smoking cessation device, but it keep you mindful and present through breath, which I teach you, I coach you technique of breath that are very powerful in the sense that they are like changing your neurochemical to produce natural drug in your brain to relax you. So parasympathetic sedation through breath. So those techniques are teach during the coaching, as well as other technique for you to stop being obsessed with the idea of smoking. So we use neuro-linguistic programming. It's all coach. It's easy. You leave the clinic. You fully understand everything you need. And if you need anything else down the road, I'm always going to be there for you to provide you the treatment and the coaching that you need to be successful in staying smoke free. And if you have like an accident, because nobody's perfect, I mean, you can always come back. We have relapse treatment that's also come with 1 month follow-up warranty. A free laser treatment available on appointment for any reason related with smoking cessation. My name is Julie Lavoie, and I can't wait to see you. Have a happy 2026 years, and I wish you to be smoke free.